Hi everybody, today I'm going to be making strawberry jelly. Hi, I'm Katie, the happy homeschooling housewife. I'm hoping to bring some sunshine into your day by sharing my love of homemaking, home cooking, and homeschooling. For this recipe, you're gonna need strawberries, honey, lemon juice, and chia seeds. Rinse your strawberries off really well and take off the caps. And then you're just gonna dump them into a pot. So we're gonna do a 2-cup recipe. You'll need 2 cups of strawberries. You're turning it to medium. And I take a potato masher and kind of push them down a little to get some juices out. That way they don't burn or anything. Okay, while it's cooking, I thought I'd take a minute to tell you why you'd even want to make strawberry jelly with chia seeds. What the chia seeds do is they act as the gelling agent. When they're exposed to a liquid of any kind, they absorb it and they just gel naturally. It's just like an easier state for your body to absorb the nutrients in the chia seeds when they have gelled. And it actually looks like strawberry seeds, so it doesn't even make it unsightly or anything. Okay, I have been cooking this over medium for about 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna continue to mash it while it's hot. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. One tablespoon of lemon juice. Of course, you can use fresh squeezed. I just don't have any right now. Now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of local honey. Why local honey? It helps you to build immunity to the pollens that are in your area. If you have any kind of allergies to pollen, that's it. You just stir it in. Now I'm ladling it into some sweet little mason jars I have. Now I'm going to go a step further, and I am going to take these beautiful little jars of jelly and I'm going to turn them into beautiful handmade gifts. You could give them this little jar and I don't think they'd be disappointed, but I'm going to take some fabric that I have and one of the lids, and I'm going to kind of trace around it with the scissors about an inch all the way around. I hope you enjoy your strawberry jelly. Have a blessed day and don't forget to subscribe.